I mean, today my fridge looks super organized, but usually it does not look like this. What's up, Women's Health? I'm Natti Natasha, and today I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek into my fridge. So I was actually a vegan before I found out I was pregnant. Once I found out I was pregnant, I started eating eggs as a protein source. I sing, I like to be active on stage. So I definitely needed that for me and for the baby. So for everything else that is vegetarian, I have my ground beef, which is plant-based, my crispy chicken tenders. I don't know why I feel like I'm still eating fast food, but in a healthy way, you know what I mean? I like it with ketchup, always with ketchup. I know my trainer's gonna be like, really ketchup all the time, but I actually do, I can't hide it. I have my tofu as another amazing protein source. I need it, we all need it for that energy. I have my sweet potato, love sweet potato, especially, I wanna say baked, but fried, I like fried sweet potato. Malanga, some people call it taro, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna do my research, but Spanish, malanga, and it's really, really good. I boil it, once it's ready, I do, like if it's a mashed malanga, and it's amazing. I put some olive oil and all that good stuff. I have my small potatoes, love it. This I mix with eggs, very good. You guys have to try it. I'm sure you guys do. This, or the way I make it is I peel it, I put it into little cubes, and I just start cooking it. Or I actually turn the stove on, and with the fire, not on this one, but the ones that is like the gas ones, I just start rolling it over, and it's like a roasted eggplant, and it's really, really good with garlic. It's really good. You guys have to try it. And it's supposedly is a good protein source. So I try to cook for myself every day. If I have the opportunity, I at least take one moment a day and just try to do lunch and dinner all together. I don't mind eating the same thing. I'm good with that. But since I have the baby now, I don't have a lot of time, and then I have to go record or anything like that. So I gotta make sure I prepare at least for the day. I can't say I do it for a couple days because it's not real. Now when you have a baby, you know what I'm talking about. So when I'm on an interview day, or before the pandemic, when I was on tour, my go-to snacks are protein bars. This is really, really good. I didn't know about this. The Power Crunch is banging. It has different flavors, and I still feel like I'm eating junk food sometimes. I'm not saying that junk food is the way to go, but sometimes when you eat really clean and really healthy, then you want to feel like you're having fun. And this is what I do. I have this. I have peanuts. I smash them sometimes because when I do salads, I pour it in there and it gives it another flavor. So I really like it. Today, my fridge looks super organized, but usually it does not look like this. I mean, if I get help, that is always the way to go. I love fruits. I actually like papaya a lot. It's right here, wait, it's kind of heavy. Kind of heavier than me. 1 second. Okay. I love this. I love papaya. I think since I was a little girl, like I had stomach problems, so this was something that was always in my mom's fridge, and it's always in my fridge. I feel like it's good and it's healthy. Bananas are a must in my life. I do it for breakfast, I do it for snack, I do it for everything. I can eat beans and I put some banana on the side. I know it's weird, but it's a Caribbean thing, and it's really good. I mean, it's like the sweet and salty flavor. I like to do that. It's like when I do Doritos and Oreos. Talking about Oreos, okay, hold on. Okay, I know I'm gonna get a little bit out of frame, but I actually, the way I eat them, I know it's not a healthy snack, but when I don't want to do the fruits, because I have the strawberries, I have the blueberries that I put in the oatmeal. I have all the healthy stuff, but the Oreos, I actually don't eat the outside. I don't eat the cracker, I actually eat the inside. And this actually, it's a good thing for my sweet tooth. I love it. I know a lot of people out there love it too, so guilty pleasure. So my household actually does eat a lot of leftovers. I don't have many leftovers today because we are actually a bunch. We are 3 kids, my partner, my baby is still drinking milk, and me. So there are not a lot of leftovers in my house, but we do eat them. It's good. I feel like when you eat them the day after, it tastes better. It's true. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if other people do it out there, but I know I do. Actually, something that I always save for myself is actually beans, because it actually has protein. What I do, I actually put them in water a day before. I do it the old style. I don't like to do the whole can thing because it has a lot of sodium, and I need the protein, and I do need the healthy side of it. So it doesn't have any type of seasoning. And this I use every day. So I feel like if I want to do a meal plan, I have to cook everything one day, at least for the next 3 days. This I made yesterday, and I eat today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow. And I try to, and if it's still good the day after, I also eat it the day after. And I just mix it with different things. But it works for me. I know some people out there don't do it, but I think it's banging. Some of the things that I use to cook that I try to buy as fresh as I can, but since I'm on the move all the time, I need to buy the garlic. You know, I wish I would have time to actually mash the garlics, but I use, you know, the one that's already ready. I do the sofrito. I don't know how you call it. It's like the peppers, the cilantro, the onions, everything already right here. Caribbean thing, but this is how I do it. I do my family's meat with this, and I do my meat with it. So these are some things that are common for all of us, and I always have my seasonings here ready for attack. Other things that have to be in my fridge is my yogurt. I love my yogurt. It has protein. I have a sweet tooth, so I try to go for the softer side. Whipped cream, cherries, chocolate, almond milk. I love this. I don't know why, but I love it. I love my avocado. I put it with every meal I have, at least once a day. You know, not all the meals, because that would be a lot of avocado. But you know that for some people there's not enough avocado, and that would be me. So I have the lettuce. I have the spinach. These are things that I always kind of put on the side of any dish that I make, and I feel like it's the perfect complement, or the healthiest complement for all the stuff you can eat. I have the asparagus. I have the cucumber. Because I like some of my vegetables, the cooked ones, and I do those, and I do the ones that they're more on the cold side. So I have the tomatoes. I have the carrots. I actually, when I make my ground beef plant-based meat, I put a lot of carrot in there, and it actually tastes really good, really good. Thank you guys for this little sneak peek into my fridge. Don't forget to subscribe to Women's Health channel, and don't forget to listen to my new album, Natti Natasha.